Wait, you go, man.
Leave me alone.
Wait, go, man. Don't go, man. What is the problem?
I know they marry me. Food you don't give me.
Wait, go, man.
See, as I did, like this I did when you come marry me.
Sorry,
You marry me well. You on top. You go, you follow woman. They follow Aisha. You see, you think I did not see that?
Me?
I saw you.
How did Juju be that?
Don't go, baby. My way. Don't go, man. Don't go, please. My way. My love. Don't go. Don't go. You know what, my don't I warn you. All the fine boys.
Sorry.
Don't go. Police, man. Go back. My love.
My sweetheart. I like the way you are taking care of me.
Anything for you.
See, my friend said since I met you, the way I'm shining. Bam. Who is this one, Pammy? Do you know her?
I don't know her.
Bam, I don't know her.
Do you know her?
I don't know this girl. What are you doing here?
Your wife is busy waiting for you.
Which wife again?
Which wife?
He said he doesn't know me. Go. Let's talk.
Your wife is busy waiting for you.
Look at you.
Are you married?
Me married. How?
This man!
You are married.
Married.
Which kind of hey,
I don't catch on.
which kind of trouble like
So this is what you are doing after leaving me.
What you were smoking?
You come to scatter another person marriage. You leave me because I cheated on you. Yeah! Now you come
Who even bring this thing upon me?
because of I'm cheating. You say I'm cheating. No, you are spoiling another person
How did
marriage.
Juju be that?
You too, you are married. Which kind of life is this?
Sorry.
My husband cheating, no money, and he's even cheating. This one too is married. This one that I even and he's even taking care of me now.
This is plain.
He's married. Oh, men are scum.
This is playing.